Hi, I'm MICHAELJOSH, and you're watching GadgetMatch. If you clicked on that link and are wondering, hey, I thought this was supposed to be an unboxing video, don't worry, that's coming real soon. Today I just decided to do things differently. I've decided to do this video vlog style. Now, it is February 14th, 2020, so happy Valentine's Day, everybody. Today is also Galaxy Z Flip Day, and I'm really thankful that I ordered it online as soon as it went online, right about before midnight last night, because apparently, if you visit Samsung.com, you'll see that it is already marked as sold out. I ordered mine on BestBuy.com, and thankfully I set an alarm because now it's also showing as out of stock. It actually took a while last night because as I was cycling through stores where it was showing as available for in-store pickup today, as soon as I hit that checkout button, it was showing as no longer available. Thankfully, I was able to order one successfully at some random store in Manhattan, and if you look at my app right now, it's showing as still being prepared for pickup, but I figured, why wait? So let's head to the store right now, see if we can pick it up early so that we can carry on with our Galaxy Z Flip unboxing. Okay, I'm back from Best Buy. Here it is, the Galaxy Z Flip. The box is nondescript, but once we slice these stickers open and slide this lid off, you'll actually see that it says Z Flip. Nice touch. Okay, let's dive into the box. First up, a note that says, "The future changes shape. Meet your Galaxy Z Flip." Next is the phone itself, but first, and this is important, some care instructions. 1. Do not press the screen on the front camera lens with a sharp object to avoid scratching or puncturing them. 2. When folding, do not place any objects in the middle of the screen. 3. The Z Flip is not water or dust resistant, so no IP rating. 4. Do not attach adhesives to the main screen, including a screen protector. 5. The phone contains magnets, so keep them away from objects like credit cards. Or if you have an implantable medical device, consult your physician first. Okay, now on to the main event, the newest foldable from Samsung. The Galaxy Z Flip comes unflipped by default. But as per usual, let's set it aside and see what else is inside this box. Okay, here it says it comes with a specialized customer care service, including screen replacements for $119. Also in this box, a fast charging adapter, similar to what we've seen on older Galaxy S devices, but now it's matte instead of glossy. USB-C charging cable, USB-C headphones by AKG, and USB-C adapter for transferring files. Okay, now for the real main event. Let's peel this off. Here it is, the Z Flip in mirror purple. It's so nice. I'm really glad I chose this color. It's more stunning than the black model, and look at that shimmer when the light hits it. The metal accents around the phone are silver with a bluish tint. And in case you're wondering, out of the box, the crease is already visible. It's not something that you get from folding the phone. It's really just the nature of this foldable glass display. Okay, let's fold it for the first time. There. And unfold. Let's do that again. There's the hinge. Oh, I almost forgot. Hiding over here is another box with a SIM card ejector tool, paperwork, and over here, a clear plastic case. 2 separate pieces, one for each side of the phone. Let's put it on to see how it looks like. Not bad, but I'm going to live on the edge for now. All right, let's turn it on and set it up. Now it's asking how I want to protect the phone. Let's pick fingerprint. The power button here on the right actually doubles as a fingerprint scanner. Okay, now that we've set that up, my SIM card goes in here so I can fully move into the phone and review it. When it's closed like this, there's a tiny display here that shows time and notifications. It also shows the charging icon when I plug it in. If you're going to rely on unlocking your phone with a fingerprint scanner, I know it's at the right place relative to where it is on other devices, but it takes a bit of adjusting because when the phone is flipped close, your fingers are all positioned on the lower half of the phone, if you get what I mean. But thankfully, there's also built-in facial recognition, and if you set that up when you flip open the phone, boom, your phone is unlocked. Speaking of opening and closing, actually, with one hand it's not as easy. It might take some getting used to, but I don't foresee myself trying to flip it open to look cool. When you swipe from the right of the screen, there's now a new toolbar that lets you access your favorite apps. It's perfect for one-handed use, and it's customizable. If we dive into settings, you'll see that the phone runs on Android 10. When unfolded, the phone actually feels like I'm just using a regular phone, but with the benefit of it becoming smaller and more pocketable. There are two rear cameras on the Z Flip, one wide angle and another ultra wide angle lens. And I know that I promised you some photos, so here are some samples we took today. And because it can be folded to a 90-degree angle, you can also prop it up this way and take hands-free selfies without a tripod. If you want to learn more about the Z Flip, you can click up here to watch our hands-on video. And that was a quick unboxing of my new Samsung Galaxy Z Flip. I've already moved into this phone and will be beginning my review real soon, but I promised I'd answer some of your questions. So here are some of them. Swagcell asks 90 Hz. No, it's not a 90 Hz display. It's a regular 60 Hz display. It has a 6.7-inch Super AMOLED Full HD Plus display with a 21.9 by 9 aspect ratio. All Hail Nutella asks, does the glass feel the same as the Galaxy Fold? Well, the Galaxy Fold has a plastic display, and so you can kind of feel that it's soft when you press on it. This one really feels like glass when you tap on it. It's kind of crazy that it actually folds because I never thought glass would fold this way, but it does. Amaranza asks, what does the lock screen look like? Well, why don't you see for yourself? On Twitter, Mike Very asks, how well do you think the display will fare in the long run? Well, Samsung says this display is rated for up to 200,000 folds and unfolds. Because it's made of glass, it is definitely going to be more scratch resistant and should be more durable than the plastic screens that we saw on the Motorola Razr and on the original Galaxy Fold. The rest remains to be seen because this is the first of its kind. And those were all the questions we have time for. If your question wasn't answered, make sure to leave them in the comments section below and I'll address them when I work on my review, which will be coming real soon. And to make sure you don't miss that video and many more like it, subscribe to our YouTube channel, hit that bell icon so that you get notified as soon as we post a new video. Follow us on social media for all the behind the scenes fun stuff, and I promise to be posting from the Galaxy Z Flip. And as always, make GadgetMatch.com your daily habit. Until the next video, I'm MICHAELJOSH. Thanks for dropping by.